What's work like for you?
Really? Another problem?
That's just how it is, right?
Can you hear me?
But you can live with it, right? Nope. Samsung sees it differently. Imagine managing fabs around the world, no need to dash over. Respond to problems anytime, anywhere. Controlling digital twins and automated robots right from your fingertips.
Wow, incredible.
Will this really happen? Effortlessly, find the answers everyone's looking for. Make real-time decisions without poring over files, using up-to-the-minute data analysis and dashboards.
Oh, I see.
Very soon, you'll try every possibility you imagine, all at once. No more all-nighters finishing tedious work. Just tell AI and machine learning what you want.
Fantastic.
What's it all come down to? Samsung is bringing its digital transformation to life. We call it the future of work. Future of Work by DS.